Since I was using the Bible, and this is what makes it interesting about the novel, I keep it to the Bible story. So my divine template was already in place. Most novelists have to create a world, characters and places and twists and turns, but when you're doing a historical novel based on the Bible, the template's already there. The characters are already there. Now I've had to add some characters, and I name people that aren't named in the Bible, but that made it easier in that sense. And then everything started rushing in from there. So the more I worked on it, the more came to me, the more character development incurred. It was kind of exciting to see people that are been dead for 3,000 years, all of a sudden flesh and bone with emotions and wants and likes and reasons and righteous anger and all of that. It was like I was transported back into that time frame.